guys, welcome to my channel Punj Technology Classes, and today in this video we will learn more about VS Code and some useful extensions of Visual Studio Code. So without wasting your time, let's begin the video. So we are on our computer screen and I already opened my VS Code. So let's know more about VS Code. So first of all, this is our Explorer. From here, we can choose our workspace folder. The shortcut of opening the Explorer is Ctrl, Shift and E. And the next is search. In search, you can search anything you want from your code. And the third is source control. It is not very useful for some people, but for some people it is very useful. It's nothing do but it attach our GitHub account to my VS Code. And the fourth one is run and debug. So it debug our JSON file. Like you create an JSON file and you can run it from here directly. And the last one is extensions. It's time to know about some useful extensions. First extension is live server. Just click here and click on install. Wait a second. It is installed. It is very useful for HTML developer and web developers. Like I choose a workspace folder. Like I choose my file, anything I want, and then click on add. Then here you can see I open my HTML codes. Then I want to see it live. So nothing to do, just click on Alt L and Alt O. Your browser is running, and here you can see our browser is open. And let's change the title. Let's change the title by Punj. So now it no needs to refresh. It already refreshed it automatically. Thanks for watching. We meet in next video.